Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to find your Bitget UID number in the mobile app like the Bitget application. So make sure to download the application of Bitget from your App Store or Play Store, and once you download the application just open it and log in with your account. And once you log in or sign up with your account, so you'll be seeing this kind of interface. As you can see, I have not verified my identity. I have new account, so it doesn't really matter if you have verified your identity or not. So from here you can see multiple options like home, markets, trade, future, assets. So just make sure to go to this home section, and once you're onto the home section you can see the upper left corner type of profile. So just click on your profile, and once you click on your profile you'll be seeing something like this, like the username, UID, and the status like you're VIP or verified or unverified. So make sure to click on this, like the first section where you can see the name. And as you can see here, you can read your email address, the UID, the display name, username. So the first option is UID. If I click on copy, so as you can see, user ID copied. So this is basically user ID which you can like use to send or receive any kind of amount in the crypto. So that is a simple and easy process of how to find your Bitget UID. So make sure to follow this step by step process, and at the end you will be able to find it.